What's up, everyone? This is Tony with JRNYcrypto. This is going to be a quick update on the crypto markets. Today is November 1st, so I do want to go over what to expect for Bitcoin and altcoins during November, if we're going to be breaking all-time highs again. Also going over some major news, as well as altcoins that I am looking at for end of year. So I do want to remind you guys I am donating 25 cents to charity and 25 cents back to the community for every new subscriber. So I do appreciate you guys liking the video, subscribing, hit the bell if you do want to be notified for my regular videos. Alright guys, so everything's looking pretty great in the crypto markets today. We have Bitcoin holding above 60,000, which is great. And like I have been saying, it would be normal to see Bitcoin retest 55 to 58,000 again before climbing back to previous all-time highs. So we'll see how things go over the next couple weeks, but I am bullish for end of year overall. Ethereum is up 2% today, testing previous all-time highs, and we do have BNB on the climb. I have been pretty bullish on BNB with all the meme coin hype and the extremely high Ethereum gas fees right now. We're seeing ETH gas fees over $500, which is just insane. Really excludes most people from investing in Ethereum altcoins and NFTs. So there is big updates to Ethereum 2 coming, but that is going to take quite a while. Binance Smart Chain right now does have extremely low gas fees under $1. So any new projects that are looking to get a quick launch and have extremely low gas fees are going to be launching on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a very simple alternative to the Ethereum blockchain as well. And as you guys know, Binance is pretty much the biggest company in the crypto space. So that does give many perks to the projects that do launch on the Binance Smart Chain. And the more projects that launch here, the more BNB liquidity they need for the pancake swap. So that means the higher the BNB price should be going. So that does mean Cake Token is likely to be on the rise as well. Pancake Swap also up around 5% today. I do think that's quite undervalued compared to BNB right now. And then other altcoins on the Binance Smart Chain are likely to start picking up as well. So we do have to be very careful with this meme coin hype right now. We're seeing crazy profits. SHIBA Inu is up around 13% right now, still up 70% on the 7-day. So there was some speculation that Tesla is going to be accepting SHIBA as payment for Tesla products, but I really don't think that's true. And if they're going to accept anything, they're probably going to accept Ethereum and Dogecoin. Elon Musk has stated that he does only hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. He stated he doesn't hold any SHIBA. So I'm seeing a lot of speculation and hype really pumping the price of SHIBA right now. I definitely think a correction will be coming in the near future. Of course, this will have higher lows, just like it had previously here as well. So we can see a major peak the first time it really skyrocketed, and then did have a major correction where it stayed flat for a few months. We also see this with Dogecoin. So this is good because even though it peaks super high here, it does find a new floor price. And this is generally where you want to be dollar cost averaging, not buying when there's peak hype and FOMO. And buying when things are skyrocketing like this is a bad idea, because more likely than not, it's going to have a correction back to a flat zone like this where you can dollar cost average and get a great entry. And as you guys see, if you did dollar cost average through this, you would be in huge profits right now. So more likely than not, SHIBA Inu is going to have a major correction here in the next couple weeks, finding a new higher low where it does start moving sideways until the next major thing happens. We can also see here the volume of SHIBA has dropped off pretty drastically, even though the price is holding up. It's likely not to hold up and continue like this. Nothing goes up forever, and there is corrections for everything. We can see the price of SHIBA did have a major correction the first time it broke all-time highs and peaked here back in early May. So just keep that in mind. If you are looking for a good entry in SHIBA, I would wait it out at least a few weeks until the price starts moving sideways for a while. And there's also lots of other great opportunities in the space right now. Personally, I'm looking for cryptocurrencies that haven't really surged yet, that still have very high potential, Chainlink being one of these. We do check out the history on this. This is nowhere close to previous all-time highs that we did see beginning of May, which was around $50 link. So that did bottom out around $13 around July 20th before the market started recovering. And as we can see, there's pretty good support at this current zone that it's in around $30. And I definitely think any big announcement is going to send Link back up to previous all-time highs very easily. I do see that happening by end of year. That's one of my top picks, and I will be doing a full video on my top picks out of the top 100. and going over some of my top picks for small cap altcoins as well. So I quickly want to talk about crypto gaming altcoins. In my last video, I did highlight these because of Facebook's announcement, and within 24 hours of that video, the sandbox had doubled in price. Decentralized mana is up a couple 100%, Engine is up huge. Lots of gaming altcoins that are high potential are just surging because there's massive demand here. As people can see, the metaverse is the future of social media and gaming, and these projects that have already been developing for years are going to have a huge head start in this, which is why they're surging. The Sandbox Sand token being one of them, up over 100% in just the last few days here. As you guys can see, huge surge in volume and price. So this did break previous all-time highs. I have been dollar cost averaging this and talking about it on the channel this entire last few months here. I did pick up a good amount, around 22 cents here before the market started recovering. So that's about a 10x in just a few months period of time. And this game definitely has even higher potential, still around a $2 billion market cap. And this is definitely going to be one of the biggest crypto games in the industry. And this game is very similar to Minecraft, which is pretty much the biggest game in the world. So I definitely see high potential with NFTs and the Sand token with this game. So like I stated with Shiba Inu, this pump is not going to last forever. So if you are looking to get into Sand or other gaming altcoins, it's more likely than not they will have a correction at some point. So just be prepared if you are looking to get into the space. There's many small cap gaming altcoins that haven't surged yet as well that do have high potential. Lots of these are launching through the Launchpad Seedify, which is a project I am an advisor for if you guys want to check that out. Great place to find brand new gaming projects in the crypto and NFT space. So I do expect the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum to continue in a general uptrend towards the end of year, breaking previous all-time highs multiple times. Of course, along the way, we are going to have multiple corrections, so do be aware of that. You should have a good entry and exit strategy in place if you are newer to the crypto space. There is a pinned video on my YouTube channel that goes over my entry and exit strategy, and I do have a crypto guides playlist. There is a link to that in the top right of this video. Make sure you get as educated as possible before jumping into the crypto space. I do recommend sending that playlist to anyone that's new to the crypto space as well. The more educated we get as a whole, the better we're going to do in the long term also. So I do expect a correction here. We haven't had a major correction really, even though we are down a bit from previous all-time highs of around 66,500. So we did retest $58,000, and I do expect we will retest $55,000 here before continuing upwards towards the end of year, breaking previous all-time highs again, headed towards a $100,000 Bitcoin. And this would create that giant cup and handle pattern, which is extremely bullish, and that's a great indicator. $100,000 Bitcoin is on the horizon for end of year, especially because we have the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade happening in November, and we have over 40 Bitcoin futures ETFs on the horizon, all kinds of huge things for mass adoption. So I definitely see things being great for Bitcoin and crypto towards end of year. Just expect minor corrections along the way. That's normal and that's healthy. All right, guys, so jumping into the crypto news, some very bullish stuff to go over here. October closes at record high and best month of 2021. So October did end up being the best month for Bitcoin out of the entire year, and that's extremely bullish in my opinion, especially with the Bitcoin Taproot coming this month. So many more Bitcoin futures ETFs on the horizon, inflation kicking in harder. So we did have 40% gains, becoming the best month for Bitcoin since December of 2020. So I have seen some people compare end of 2020 to where we're currently at in the markets. And if something similar does play out, we should be seeing Bitcoin break $100,000 within the next 3 to 4 months. So I have talked about the Bitcoin stock to flow model a lot previously on the channel here, especially when the price of Bitcoin crashed end of May. And Plan B is the creator of that Bitcoin stock to flow model. He did put some price projections here. August, $47,000 Bitcoin. September, 43. October, 61,000. And he did put November, $98,000 Bitcoin. And December, $135,000 Bitcoin, putting us on track with that Bitcoin stock to flow model. So it's very possible we are looking at a $100,000 Bitcoin happening sometime this month. Personally, I think it's going to take a few months to play out. But as you guys know, in the crypto space, anything can really happen. If we get some extremely bullish breaking news, like a institution acquiring a couple $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, that could definitely be the boost that is needed to get us up to $100,000 Bitcoin. Something else very bullish here I do want to discuss, exchange balances lowest since October of 2018. As you guys can see on this chart, Bitcoin balance on exchanges, and you can see a sharp decline here since the market crash. And we are now at the lowest we've been since 2018. That is very bullish in my opinion. And as more institutions and retail investors continue dollar cost averaging, taking more Bitcoin out of circulation off exchanges, this is just going to get more bullish. Basic supply and demand, with less supply being on the markets as demand is inevitably increasing with everything happening and all the mass adoption on the horizon, prices will be going up. So with all the recent meme coin hype and all these small cap altcoins surging in a short period of time, we're going to start seeing a lot of scams and rug pulls coming to the crypto space again, especially on the Binance Smart Chain. It's so easy to create a crypto and be a copy paste of another crypto project. All they really need is a website and some basic utility and a small team for support, and they could create a cryptocurrency like Squid Game token and just scam everyone after all the hype dies off. So Twitter flags Squid Game token accounts as price crashes. The Squid Game token was surging despite multiple scam warnings and topped above $2,800 before plummeting to less than 1 cent. So this did end up being a rug pull. Everyone was talking about this. I even had people in my family asking about this Squid Game token because it was all over the media and news. So you do have to be very careful about this. And more likely than not, you are going to lose your money in brand new projects like this that are surging parabolically in a short period of time. So as we can see the price chart here, huge skyrocket in a short period of time up to $2,800. I'm sure they had a supply squeeze on this and they were just trying to artificially pump this as much as possible, just so they can rug pull everyone and get as much money as possible. So just be very cautious of this. If you invest any money in small cap projects like this that are, especially those that are brand new with no real utility, they're copy paste projects using a name to ride the hype of something else like Squid Game, the most popular show on Netflix, this should be a huge red flag to you, especially if the team is anonymous as well. So another very bullish article today, Bitcoin Moonvember begins as data shows November is the best month for the S&P 500. Historically, November is a pretty good month for crypto as well, especially during a bull market. So November 2021 has stiff competition, with October already the biggest month in terms of gains for Bitcoin in 2021. Odds are that stocks could act as a catalyst for further upside in Moonvember. So that's definitely another bullish thing. If stocks are rising alongside cryptocurrencies, that's definitely a sign that crypto will continue in a general uptrend. We do have a chart here, Bitcoin monthly returns, and if we check out previous Novembers, in 2020 we did have 43% gains. The 2 years before that was in the red, but that was during a bear market. And then during the previous bull market, we had 53% in November of 2017, and pretty much every year before that was in the green as well. The bull run of 2013 saw 450% return on investment in November alone for Bitcoin. So generally, November is a pretty good month for Bitcoin, even better than December in most cases. So this could definitely be a very bullish month where we do see Bitcoin testing that $100,000 Bitcoin. So over the weekend, we did get another Amazon job listing for crypto blockchain related experience. In the summer, we did get the first job listing of this, which was very bullish, hinting that they would be creating their own cryptocurrency. And it's very obvious they are looking to expand in this and see how they could benefit from getting into crypto blockchain. So Amazon job posting hints companies' web services are preparing to adopt crypto. So we don't have too much information about this, but just seeing the job postings is extremely bullish in my opinion. According to a Saturday job posting, Amazon Web Services New York office is hiring a financial service specialist who understands the overall cryptocurrency and digital asset ecosystem. With experience in blockchain and distributed ledger technology, the company said that the position would work with regulators, financial institutions, and capital market operators to explore how they might benefit from digital asset adoption. So it's very obvious Amazon is getting in, many other companies as well. We did see some job listings like this from Apple. I do think every major company is going to get in one way or another, whether they just buy cryptocurrencies to hold on their balance sheet, whether they offer their own crypto related services, or if they even create their own cryptocurrency, which is something I do see a lot of major companies doing in the near future. Imagine every major company having their own crypto that they can use for loyalty rewards, for major discounts, and other perks for their customers. This is definitely something I think major companies will be taking advantage of once there's some more clarity and regulations in place. So before I end the video, I want to let you guys know I'm doing my biggest giveaway yet on Twitter right now for a Mutant Ape Yacht Club NFT worth around $20,000 right now. And I do think these will be going up a lot in value over the next couple years. Bored Ape Yacht Club just released Roadmap 2.0. Lots of huge things on here. They just raised over $100 million. They're going to be doing all kinds of huge things. And I think the demand for these NFTs are only going to be going up. So I am giving one of these away. One of my favorite ones, actually, that I did mint. Definitely some awesome properties here. So if you guys want to enter, all you have to do is go over to this tweet on my Twitter account, retweet it, and be sure you're following me on Twitter so I can DM the winner. And that's it. I will be picking a winner tonight around 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I am trying to get big giveaways going around once per week. I am launching my NFT set in the next couple weeks here. I will be doing giveaways for some of those. There will be opportunities for those that can't afford it to actually earn an NFT and get involved in other ways as well. I do want everyone to have a chance here. There will be a public sale as well that I will be announcing. The website and Discord will be launching very soon. I will be posting links to those on my official Twitter and YouTube account. Don't believe anything you see anywhere else. There's already impersonators on OpenSea pretending to be me offering a pre-sale of an NFT. So just be very careful out there. There's going to be lots of scammers. Only believe stuff you see on my official YouTube and Twitter account. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. Like always, I appreciate if you guys like the video. Comment below. Let me know what coins and NFTs you're bullish on for end of year. I will check some of those out. And be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. I will be doing some huge videos coming up, revealing some of the small cap altcoins I have been investing in. And I will be donating 25 cents to charity and 25 cents back to you guys in a huge giveaway end of year for every new subscriber. So if you subscribe, you are giving 50 cents back. And I do appreciate you guys helping spread the word about that. And we will be picking some charities to give away to together. I will be doing some votes for that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.